Well, four rather delightful little Johnson Brothers Blue Indies, small English desserts. These really are small. Could be pickle dishes, really, if they'd been made 100 years earlier. Blue Indies, this lovely blue and white design, floral with the little birds just sitting on the blossom in alternate blocks there. These are rotated ribbed late 20th century Johnson Brothers dishwasher and microwave safe china marks. Make nice little dessert bowls. The measurements are on the website. These aren't full size cereal or soup bowls. These are, I think, probably around 5.5 inch small English desserts. So do check out the measurements on the website. We've got four of them. They're in absolutely bright condition, as you can see. Just look at the glaze reflection. Don't think they've ever been used. Not a spoon or knife mark on them, and the glaze is absolutely brilliant. So follow the description link if you would like these, and that'll take you to the Vintage and Antiques website, where we've got a lot of Blue Indies Johnson Brothers to choose from, but it will take you directly to the listing for these four little desserts being sold individually for the replacement market. Thanks for watching.